What's going on, everybody, and welcome to a brand new video on this channel. I just want to apologize because it's been a while since my last upload. I've just been busy with life basically, but before we continue into this video, I just want to say thank you guys. We ended up hitting 500 subscribers on this channel, which is awesome. Now that goal is 1,000 subscribers.
Oh, that's hot. That's hot.
So if you guys are new to the channel and you enjoy the content that I create, go ahead and subscribe and give it a like. Give this video a like. But yeah, I'm gonna break this video down into I think 3 different sections. The first section is going to be talking about my trading. The second section will talk about my personal side, which I guess it's 2 sections. Sorry, 2 sections. Trading wise, I'm gonna be honest with you guys, I haven't been able to pass another challenge account. It's been really rough as of recently. Definitely January and February have been some of my worst performing months, December as well. I feel like the markets kind of have changed, so I need to adapt to it, and it could take maybe a couple months for me to adapt to these new market conditions. I mean, if you check NQ right now, I think from its all-time highs, it's down about 8%, which is crazy. It's bouncing off of this, or it's going to touch the 200 EMA if you look at it on the daily chart. From a pure technical standpoint, fundamental-wise, I'm unaware, so I will not dive deep into that area. Not been doing well in terms of challenges. I've kind of just been failing a bunch of challenges.
But then again, I'm taking a more aggressive approach to these challenges. I'm trying to pass them as quick as possible because I don't want to spend my time to pass these challenges. I just want to be able to pass them quick and then take my time during the funded stage.
But yeah, it's just been a little bit rough in terms of trading. We're not going to give up. I mean, this is just, as I like to say, it's a minor setback for a major comeback, But yeah, that's where my trading has been. In terms of my personal life, I've kind of taken up a passion when it comes to my career, so I really do enjoy it, and some of my attention has been more focused towards my career, which for now I just don't want to give that away. I want to make sure I'm at least like starting off within my career, to be able to just tell people that this is what I'm doing, because you know what, I don't know what will happen in the future, so I don't want to give false hope or tell people what I'm doing. So in terms of career wise, all you got to know is that I am really enjoying my career path that I'm taking. I know a lot of traders or gurus out there tell you that you need to take back your life. You need to not worry about the 9 to 5. You need to be your own boss. If I'm being honest with you guys, do what you like. If that's being that 9 to 5 corporate life, you shouldn't change your mind just because you get to get your time back and go and explore. I mean, as a 9 to 5, you can still go and do that. I mean, nowadays a lot of jobs have gone hybrid. You're working 3 days in the office, 2 days at home, sometimes 2 days in the office, 3 days at home. Your shifts are like 8 to 3 now, or like 9 to 3, 9 to 4. It's not even 9 to 5 anymore. I feel like the workload that some of these career paths are very manageable. I know some of the more intensive ones, like if you're a surgeon, or if you're like, I don't know, hedge fund investor, analyst, or something like that, they tend to be a bit more heavier. Just do what you like, like forget about what other people have to say or opinions of other people. I'm actually going to get into, this sort of thing a little bit later into the video as well. That's my career wise. So I am still in school. I mean, it's my final semester. I'm just finishing that off, and then I can probably put my attention towards my career and put my attention towards creating content and trading as well. I've also kind of taken up my fitness journey. I don't know when I started. I have to look up when I started. I'll probably put like a edit up there of when I started, but I think I started like 6 months ago or something. So I've been focused on that as well. So my attention's kind of been split. I just want to make sure that I'm healthy, that I'm able to continue making these videos for you guys, continue trading, and continue to follow my passion. But yeah, that's kind of been taking up some of my attention as well. Going back to the whole point about not letting other people's opinions matter, I used to be in this mindset when it comes to content creation that I have to be uploading almost like 3 days a week. I have to be on social media and posting social media content just because my channel needs to grow. I have to create like hooks that will hook you guys into the video. And to be honest, it was a very unhealthy obsession and grind when it came to that. I created like weaker and less quality content, I guess. And now my whole perspective has changed. I guess we can break into this third section, which I'll call what will happen with the YouTube, with my YouTube channel. I want to create high quality content for you guys.
Are you sure about that?
I know my editing skills isn't top notch, but the videos that I want to come up with, I want it to be close to originality as possible. Now that doesn't mean that I'm gonna limit myself to this. If there is, of course, some tips and tricks out there that other people are talking about and I can put my perspective and my opinion on, I will be creating a video on that. But I want to create a lot more original content, whereas if you look within the trading niche, everyone is copying everyone. Like you can see best day trading strategy, $500 a day easily, $200 a day easily, this EMA strategy. Like everyone, if you just search up everyone is copying everyone, and it's just become this sort of game to kind of keep you guys' attention within the first 10 seconds of the video. And then if you are hooked, they will try to take you to, you know, the Discord down below, and you pay $79, $99 a month to go and take trades like they do. I mean, I'm not gonna discredit them from what they're doing. It's another business path. I think I would probably even do it myself in the future, but I want to be able to offer value out of it rather than say paying $99 a month and I don't know, some trader loses like 90% of their trades and they're just taking your money monthly. Like I want to be able to provide high quality and authentic quality content for you guys. That's why I never ask you guys within my videos, if you've noticed, I never ask for you to subscribe. I never ask for you guys to like this video. I did it at the beginning of this video as like a joke, but yeah, I never do, because honestly, if you enjoy my content, you will subscribe. If you enjoy my video, you will give it a like. I feel like that's just the way, you know, life goes. If you find something interesting, you're gonna go ahead and, you know, learn more about it. But yeah, in terms of moving forward within my own channel, the amount of videos uploaded will be less, but I will be uploading or trying my best to upload more high quality content. I also am thinking of, you know, to maybe shorten the gap, start streaming. I might start streaming my trades within the morning. Just not right now, because like I said, I'm in school and I'm kind of focused on that. But whenever I'm out of school and if I have time here or there, I will definitely, you know, start streaming. That's something I want to kind of get into, because then I don't have to edit videos, and you know what, you guys can come and watch me trade live if I win or lose. But yeah, that's basically the video. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Now I'm going to ask you guys, if you did enjoy the video, please give it a like and subscribe. I'll see you guys all next time. Take care.